The cat is sneaky, soft and sly. Meow, meow, she says as she spots her prize. The mouse runs fast with a tiny squeak. Squeak, squeak, he giggles, you can't catch me peek. Round and round, they race all day. Thud, thud, go their feet as they dart away. I'll catch you soon, I'm on your tail. No, you won't, I'll leave a trail. Whoosh! The cat jumps high, the mouse jumps low. Boing, boing, they go to and fro. The mouse giggles with a wiggle and a dash. Ha ha! He laughs, I'm too quick, no crash. But wait, what's this? The mouse is sneaky. Shh, he whispers, hiding so cheeky. The cat waits and waits and waits some more. She growls, I'll get you for sure. The mouse peeks out and runs out the door. Squeak, squeak, he calls, can't catch me anymore. The cat pouts and shakes her head. She mumbles, I'm going to bed. The cat and the mouse both giggle and grin. Meow, squeak, they laugh, let's do it again. They play their game from morning to night. Thud, thud, boing, boing. Oh, what a sight!